Choosing the right welding helmet is crucial for safety, comfort, and weld quality. Poor visibility, slow darkening, limited viewing angles, and weak sensors can cause eye strain and reduce precision. That's why Auto Darkening Welding Helmets are a game changer. They provide instant protection, true color clarity, and wide viewing areas for professional results. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best welding helmets of 2026, designed for MIG, MAG, TIG, and MMA welding. We analyzed specs, features, and real user feedback to build this list. Check the description for updated prices and deals. Number 5. SAFEUP Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. The SAFEUP welding mask is a solid entry-level option with professional-grade features. It offers a large 100 by 97 mm viewing area with true color technology for clear, natural visuals while welding. The 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 optical clarity rating ensures sharp detail, while 4 arc sensors provide fast and accurate auto darkening. Designed for MIG, MAG, and MMA welding, it reduces eye strain and improves precision. The helmet feels lightweight yet durable, making it suitable for long work sessions at an affordable price point. Number 4. ARCCAPTAIN Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. The ARCCAPTAIN welding helmet is a reliable choice for multi-process welders using MIG, MAG, and TIG. It features solar-powered auto darkening with quick response time and consistent shade adjustment. The lens delivers clear visibility and stable protection, helping welders maintain accuracy during continuous work. Its comfortable headgear and balanced design reduce neck fatigue, while the durable shell handles tough workshop conditions. Ideal for hobbyists and professionals who want dependable performance without complex setup. Number 3. ANDELI True Color Welding Helmet. The ANDELI welding helmet stands out with true color optics in a wide side view design for improved peripheral awareness. It supports a broad shade range of 4, 5 to 9, 9 to 13, making it suitable for TIG, MIG, and heavy-duty welding tasks. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it ensures stable performance even in low-light conditions. The clear lens, fast darkening speed, and comfortable fit help reduce eye fatigue during long welding sessions, a strong choice for precision-focused welders. Number 2. SAFEUP Panoramic 180-degree Welding Helmet. This SAFEUP Auto Darkening Welding Helmet is built for maximum visibility and safety. Its panoramic 180-degree side view design significantly expands the field of vision, allowing better awareness of surroundings. Equipped with 4 high-sensitivity sensors and true color lens technology, it delivers fast response and accurate color clarity. Suitable for most welder machines, it performs well across different welding modes. The ergonomic headgear and balanced weight make it comfortable for extended professional use. Number 1. TRUSOXIN True Color Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. The TRUSOXIN welding helmet is the most advanced option on this list. It features true color auto darkening technology powered by both solar cells and a built-in lithium battery for reliable performance. Designed for TIG, MIG, MMA, MAG, and more, it adapts quickly to different welding environments. The fast response time, stable shade control, and durable construction make it ideal for demanding professional work. If you want top-tier protection, clarity, and versatility, this helmet delivers premium value. A high-quality welding helmet improves safety, visibility, and overall weld accuracy. These 5 auto darkening helmets offer true color clarity, fast sensors, and strong build quality for different welding needs. Whether you're a hobbyist or pro, there's a perfect option here. Let us know your favorite and subscribe for more tool reviews.